Hey gang, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. And this stop, even for long-time New Yorkers, can be a bit of a surprise. This is the Blockhouse in Central Park. It's almost to 110th Street. And it's a fortification left over from the War of 1812, which the US had with Great Britain, and was part of the New York's fears that New York City would be attacked. It was attacked, obviously, during the War for Independence, and after Stonington, Connecticut, really vital part of the new country, was attacked by the British. New Yorkers suddenly thought, we don't have enough defenses. So this blockhouse was built on what is considered Lower Harlem, but it's on a hill here, so it would have had great view all the way up towards where the firehouse was if you saw that tour. So this never saw any action, and most of these blockhouses were taken down really after the war was over. They didn't see any service. There was no reason to keep them. And the only reason this one is here is because Vaux and Olmsted, who designed the park, loved ruins. Now, this was really big in England, and it was big here in Victorian America. The idea was properties would have beautiful ruins, and people would go out of their way to build artificial water wheels and grist mills and things to have, so they would have ruins on their property. And they thought, a picturesque ruin, it's already here. So that's why the Blockhouse is still here. I think that's really neat, like a fashion of having tasteful ruins. Save this little bit of history. So anyway, have a good one. Stay safe, and we'll see you here on 1 Minute Walking Tours.